Welcome to Techilla. In this video, we are counting down to our top 5 picks of newly innovative tech toys from 2019. These toys are fun to use and make your life even more enjoyable. On 1, Merge Cube. Merge Cube is a black and silver physical cube that has inlaid design that interact with various Merge Cube apps to transform the cube into a digital canvas. This cube lets you hold the virtual 3D objects, enabling an entirely new way to learn and interact with the digital world. Download the Merge Explorer app. This app is free to download and used in school and home to engage kids in hand-to-science lessons. On to Dot Creativity Kit. Dot is a clever little robot with multiple sensor and personality that powers you to do it yourself in a new Dot way. Kids will now learn about robotics and develop fundamental skill with problem-solving skills while having more fun. Multiple sensors and lots of tech makes Dot real robot that comes to life. On 3, Robot Vector. Vector is a companion made to hang out and help out. Powered by advanced robotics, Vector is a voice activated and will answer your questions. Vector is not that strong enough to carry you to the bed at night, but Vector can time your dinner, take photos, express the weather, and react to your touch. He is basically the most helpful thing in your home without a heartbeat. On 4, Robot Wunderkind. Meet Robot Wunderkind, a STEM robotic kit a child as young as 5 can put together and bring life effortlessly. This robot is a fun and natural way to introduce programming and coding to a boy or a girl. Using color-coded blocks, a child can assemble a working robot and program it to perform real functions. The best part is, no special knowledge is required to use, and this tech toy is made for many hours of enriching play. On 5, Force Band. The Force is strong with you. Channel your droid with Star Wars Force Band by SP Hero. Like a JD Knight, you can now control your BB-8 app-enabled droid with a wave of your hand and expand your training with Force Training. Use the band by itself to complete combat training, blasters and Force itself, or collect digital hall cones in your environment through the Force awareness. Thanks for watching till the end. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe us and turn on the notification bell as we come with new videos twice a week.